it's Markeisha always. Today I will be showing you how to do a sew-in. Yes, girl. Okay, so right now the braids that I am doing will be her leave out. I will take these loose at the end of the video to blend her hair in with the extensions. All of this will be leave out. I leave hair out across the front just in case she wants to flip her hair back. Okay, so now we will get started on the braids that we will be sewing on top of. I start by dividing the hair into two sections. I start my braid at the very top of my sew-in to assure that my sew-in will be nice and smooth at the end. So you continue to go around and around in the circle until the circle is completely filled in. Be sure to not make your parts too thick because that will cause your braids to be bigger and your sew-in to be lumpy. So my favorite needle to use for my sew-ins is the smallest C-curve needle. This is my favorite thread. It's nylon thread, it's easy on your hair, and it also reduces the lint buildup on your scalp. I purchased this from Sally's Beauty and it lasts me for a very, very, very long time. Put the needle underneath the braid and through the width of the hair. I only put it through the width at the very beginning and the end of each bundle. here I'm showing you how you put the needle under the braid and underneath the weft to form a knot. So you just continue doing this throughout this whole process. So my thread has now gotten too short for me to continue. So here I show you how I tie a knot and then continue with a new one. Alright guys, now it's time to style the hair. I use Curl La La along with mousse to define her curls and give her a more polished look. So now it's time to take out our braids that we braided down at the very beginning for our leave out. We will take these out, curl them up, and blend it in with our extensions. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next week, bye-bye.